1963 Buick Riviera Sport Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Era Correct 401 nailhead V8 powering this one. It's paired up with an automatic transmission. Very nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note the clutch kicks in on the AC compressor. Doesn't blow real cold. May need a little bit of attention. Let's take a look at the front grille. Chrome. Headlight surrounds, of course, that iconic Riviera front end. Original Arctic white car, paint code CC. Blue interior trim, 716 trim code on this one. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see that interior. You'll see the engine bay, undersides. Basically the car from every angle, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. That'll take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see the paint has a nice shine in the hood. Buick Rally style wheels. White wall radial tires. Technician also noted it has new rear brake shoes as well as new front wheel cylinders. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Bucket seat, console. There is an aftermarket fuel gauge that is working that they installed in the ashtray, by the way. And I'll show you when we get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a little closer look at that interior. But first, of course, we want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust exiting the rear, chrome in the rear bumper. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. This car is also equipped with power windows. I believe tilt column. We'll check that out here in just a bit. If you like these Rivieras or Buicks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, up and down this driver's side, also really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's take a peek at this interior. Again, blue vinyl. That was the original color of the interior. As you can also see, power windows. This would be for the wing window, manual crank. Yeah, it looks like tilt column. Not much wear on those vinyl seats. Let's go ahead and fire it up again. Era Correct nailhead 401 V8. And it always fires up, just boom, just like that. Take a good look at the dash. Nice sounding car too. Good throttle response. Here's that fuel gauge that I mentioned. So I did install a fuel gauge in the ashtray. That is working. I have not had the radio power up. The rest of the dash looking good. Previous owner stated this one was stored indoors. What surprised me looking at that dash, one little separation in the headliner. Otherwise, the rest looks good. Let's take a listen. Looks like it could be original dealership badging on that. Heavy from back in the day, South Carolina car. Not like your stickers you see on them today. All right, let me pause this 1 second. Let's get this hood open. We'll check out this engine bay and stick around till the end of this video as usual, take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood. And engine bay. Now, I mentioned it was a 401 cubic inch nailhead V8, and I can tell that from the casting number on the back of the block. Of course, it's going to state Wildcat 445, the air cleaner that has been installed. Buick fans or Buick experts out there, tell me about the number on the Buick air cleaner covers. Wasn't necessarily cubic inches, was it? Put that down in the comments if you're watching this video. We'll see who all watched till the end to find out exactly what those numbers on the Buick air cleaner covers from this era pertain to. All right, AC compressor, as you can see. And again, clutch kicks in, power steering, power brakes. There's a battery disconnect for in between drives or when it's in storage. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Looks good. This will be a fun one. 1963 Buick Riviera Sport Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1963 Buick Riviera in white paint with a great looking blue on the interior. This is an automatic on the center console. Our turn signal indicators are working. And once you know it, we've got some traffic. I haven't gotten any sound out of the radio. The blower motor does work. Comfortable bucket seats in this Buick, and of course all the power that Buick usually provides via the motor choice that they build. Buick known for their torque on a lot of their motors, and you can feel it in this car. Speedometer is working. Show we're doing 45 miles an hour and rising. Most of the gauges are just going to be warning lights for the oil temp and amps. It is clock equipped. Right in the middle of the gauges there is a clock. Now down in the ashtray, the previous owner has mounted a fuel gauge, and that's showing a little less than half of a tank. The factory fuel gauge, I do not see the needle, so that's why they did that. Nice highway ride to this car. Letting go of the wheel, it stays right in the middle of the lane. That teal color carried through the carpet and the headliner. A good color combination. Brakes feel good. Not overly loud in the exhaust, a little bit of rumble there. Corners as it should for a 63 Buick, semi-luxurious. The acceleration is good. Easy to drive automatic transmission in a beautiful Buick. Take a look at all the pictures of this Riviera at UniqueClassicCars.com.